Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. Opera GX Browser and Discord are giving out 700 orbs. Just go to your Discover tab and then Quest option. Watch this quest till the end. It's just a 44 seconds video and there we have it, our 700 orbs. Now if you want the orbs links, kindly join my Discord support server and find Orbs channel for the links. You will find all the links over here. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because it's completely free, and thank you so much for 12,000 subscribers again.